See Inside Genes and DNA, another addition to one of Usborne's awesome See Inside series. As always, Usborne works with experts and professionals on their nonfiction books, even though these books are just for kids. This one has expert advice from Dr. Dagan Jenkins. He's an associate professor of genetics at UCL, which is University College London. As we know, Usborne is a UK-based publisher. So let's get in it. What are genes? Genes are like instruction manuals that create every living thing. The instructions are written in a language called the genetic code. They have some illustrations of some really interesting animals there. And just like Usborne always does, they have bite-sized chunks of information with really fun and interesting illustrations for kids. So you can go through and lift the flaps and discuss with your kids the things that they're reading. Where do your genes come from? So there are genes in most of your cells, but how did they get there? They come from a mix of chromosomes that you got from your parents. They have a sperm cell, and he's so happy. Look at that little guy there. And an egg cell. Look at her. Eggs are inside female bodies. When a sperm and egg cell meet, they join together. A ball of cells develops. The ball of cells grows and grows into a baby. And there's the little baby octopus. So it says the chromosomes and the sperm and egg pair up and the genes jumble together. How do genes work? Now, I bet you never thought you'd get your kids a children's book that has the words double helix and amino acids, RNA copy. It really breaks it down for kids. It doesn't dumb things down for them. And that was one of the things that Peter Usborne, rest his soul, he was the one who created Usborne books from the very beginning, and he was very passionate about letting kids, he knows kids are smart, and I think if you were to teach kids these things at a young age, they'd be able to understand this kind of science. How do we know about genes? And different projects and things that they've made. Here's Dolly the sheep, about clones. What else can genes do? Feeding people. Farmers stop taking seeds from these plants because they aren't useful. These are both great plant. Wait, what are they talking about? Oh, okay. So they're talking about a tomato plant that makes hard, bitter tomatoes. So farmers are not going to use those genes. They're going to create better tomatoes. Okay. Treating illnesses, stopping illnesses. This injection is a vaccine. It will help to stop this person from getting ill. This type of vaccine was invented in 2020 to fight COVID-19. They're talking about mRNA. Yeah, there's COVID-19. Solving crimes. What does the future hold? Junk DNA, medicine, the future of food. Maybe in the future, you could be one of the geneticists who finds the answer to a question here. This one's $14.99. That's See Inside Genes and DNA. Thanks for watching.